Hey guys, welcome to day 5. I am here. I stayed last night at a RV park, RV resort, because the weather was just so bad and rainy, and we got in at night. I didn't want to go out on the beach while it was, we have to air down and it's dark and windy and rainy and cold. So we are riding it out here. Weather is supposed to improve soon, and this will be the beginning of day 5. Here's where we're staying. It's not even a real RV spot. It's just like the temporary one that they let me slide into last night. All right, we're heading to St. Padre Island. Off to the distance in the right, you should be able to see SpaceX. Seems to be way out there. I was gonna shoot out there today. However, saying it's WDR, I think that's the acronym. Forgive me on exactly what that is, other than they're going through some test flight simulation. I think they put fuel in the rockets, and so therefore road is closed. You can't go there. Hopefully they'll be done by 10 o'clock tonight or earlier. But so for now, we're just heading over, meeting some friends in Padre Island. We've had a pretty interesting day. We just went on the beach in Padre Island, actually north of here, and we just going back to the mainland, and I'm going to find a camp spot for the couple of us to camp the night before we head over to Boca Chica for the big Cyber Beach party tomorrow night. Bonfire. We're here at the charging station before we start heading towards Boca Chica Beach. Everyone's getting their final fill in before they head out. Meeting a couple people we haven't seen before. I love that orange Cybertruck, the dumpster license plate. We got Doge over here. Anyway, we're having fun. This is day 5, day 4, can't even remember anymore. All right, we are on our way to the beach. Right at SpaceX. They just opened the road since they were done with, I think it's DWR or WDR, which is, don't quote me on the acronym, but it's basically doing some preliminary testing and running through the launch. In my rearview mirror, if you can see, I got a Cybertruck. We're gonna go around this bend. It's a Cybertruck following a Cybertruck, following a Cybertruck. We are on a convoy. Here we go, maybe you'll see it now. We're gonna be the first ones out on the beach. Now we're Cybertruck following a Cybertruck. We might have a really cool experience here. This road has been closed. It's just opened. We're like a group of Cybertrucks coming in here. I, of course, have the camper, and we're gonna camp just out here, maybe 500 yards, 800 yards past the rocket. But I don't think there's gonna be many people here, and we're gonna get a really cool view. I think we're gonna be able to get onto the grounds and actually check out the rocket. This is Starbase. All right, guys, the night is over. Had a really good time hanging out with a bunch of new friends. I mean, look at this. This is inside the camper. You can't even see. But look when I look out the window. I am literally the closest human being on the beach to this rocket ship. How is this even possible? All right. Day 5, 6, whatever the hell it's been, we went from cold and rainy to pretty damn spectacular. Keep following along. Things are only going to get better. Supposed to have a big bonfire right here tomorrow with a bunch of people. A party before the big event. All right. Good night. See you next time. Cybertruck 1, baby.